Rhonda, and welcome back to Travels with Rhonda and Andrew. We're so glad that you've joined us today for what might be our most delicious video yet. Yum.
And I'm Andrew, and today we're taking you behind a secret door to witness one of the most exclusive and unique dining experiences ever created at sea. It's called 360, an extraordinary experience. And look, this just isn't a meal, it's a total sensory immersion into the sights, scents and sounds of the Mediterranean.
Yes, definitely. Now, a quick heads up, this is only available on the Discovery and the Enchanted Princess ships. But it does come with a premium price tag of $149 US or about 229 Australian dollars per person.
Correct, yes.
But it is a 90-minute, 7-course journey, limited to just 20 guests per seat.
Yeah, only 20 guests.
So intimate, wasn't it?
I know, 4,000 passengers on board. You got 20 best guests can actually go.
That's right. Look, just a bit of a warning, if you do have a booking already and you want to keep the surprise and delight intact, please stop watching this video now.
Oh, absolutely.
Because we're about to show you why this is unlike anything else on the ocean. And we would hate to spoil it for anybody, wouldn't we?
Oh, absolutely. So. And look, the magic begins in the ship's atrium with a signature 360 cocktail before you're
Which was delicious.
Yes, you will see this, before you're led into a hidden room.
Yeah.
And once inside, you're greeted by a stunning curved table surrounding a circular stage. Have a look at the pictures of this. You'll even notice the carpet looks exactly like rich soil. And trust me, in this room, there are absolutely no coincidences.
Definitely not, no. The storytelling is truly world class and it's narrated by Brooke Shields. As you move through Greece, Italy, Spain and France, the room transforms 360-degree LED walls and high-tech projectors turn your every table into an interactive playground.
Absolutely amazing.
It's just all around you.
Just all around you. You can't take your eyes off it.
No, there's something going on all around. And you can even tap a dancer on your placemat, or you can even break a digital plate. Yeah. It's incredibly playful and it's so engaging.
Yeah, it is, and they even pump smells into the restaurant, so you're getting the smells of the aroma of the Mediterranean. But anyway,
just incredible. You don't know where to look. It's just everywhere. It's happening everywhere. It's beautiful.
Yeah, but the real stars, I believe, are the pairings. You'll start with 2 Greek-inspired dishes and a themed cocktail, followed by a journey to Italy.
Yes.
And we were served with a magnificent La Crema Cristi del Vesuvius Bianco. How do you like my Italian?
Well done.
Well, it's made from a Coda di Volpe grape, a bit like a Chardonnay, grown at the base of Mount Vesuvius by the legendary, and I'll try to say this properly, Mastrobarino family. Mastrobarino family. Well, anyway, very well-known Italian wine farming.
And they had 10 generations of winemaking in one glass.
I know, 10 generations.
I know, it's amazing, just superb. And from there, it's on to Spain, where we were treated to a Grenache from Elixir. This is a true underwater winery where the bottles are aged beneath the waves for 6 months.
I know,
we couldn't believe it. It's just incredible.
Look, check out these photos that we're of this winery.
And to finish, we had a French dessert. We toasted with a Drapia Brut Nature Zero Dosage.
Well done, good French. But it's a champagne, isn't it?
It's champagne, yes. Yeah. 100% Pinot and 100% Spectacular.
Oh, certainly was. Well done. Look, overall, it was actually quite simply a culinary masterclass.
Yeah, definitely.
So, without further ado, let's step inside and show you some random highlights of this fantastic delight. Over to you, Rhonda.
Our adventure's just beginning with 360 and we've just had our photos taken and now we've been greeted with this beautiful green cocktail, and just look at the top, it's got 360 on it. Wow, I'll try it. Very nice.
There we go.
17 and 18.
Andrew is 17 and then Miss Rhonda is 18, yeah? Thank you so much. Enjoy. Have a great time.
Thank
everybody.
you.
We are about to take you on an immersive sensory journey. Princess loves to connect people, places, and cultures. And here, we hope to connect you all the more deeply to some of the most beautiful places on Earth. Rhonda, Len and John. Welcome Anna, Marino. Welcome Carrie and Gregory. Welcome Claire, Anthony, Patricia, and Warren.
Clanging of the fishing boats. Waves gently lapping at the beach.
Opa!
Yamas.
It's a Greek finger food with a beautiful cocktail as well. This is our first course.
Olive oil shop, and we will never lose our hair. So olive oil is everything for us. Yeah, it's the most precious product.
Hearing his enthusiasm for this ancient miracle food was eye-opening. Very often it's the simple things in their purest forms that can
Enjoying for many centuries. Fancied octopus with Greek feta cheese and velvet nicoli. Galerixies.
Here we go.
street and open-air cafe I passed, it felt like I was walking through a Fellini movie set. That story is fascinating. The ancient Roman way of life had been frozen and preserved under volcanic ash for almost 2,000 years.
The ancient city of Pompeii, we have the majestic volcano Mount Vesuvius. Directly below, we have the Mastroverdina vineyards where our wine was born. The mineral-rich volcanic ash, lava, and small rock fragments feed the vines in order to create this exquisite ancient wine, La Crema Christi del Vesuvio, directly translated as the tears of Christ. Ladies and gentlemen, please raise your glasses. Salute! A few delicate and velvety buffalo mozzarella with heirloom tomatoes and basil pesto. Buon appetito!
What's your thoughts so far?
Oh, it's amazing. It's just an incredible experience.
We sell. We
The
are
food's
so
been
jealous
incredible,
because
but I
get
have to
mad,
say,
but I don't want to give my
they've
hands.
just
I know
dished up
it's
a
strange,
Chardonnay
but
for
it's
us,
the truth.
and
Amalfi is famous for two
from Mount
things, for the
Vesuvius
lemons
with
and
the
for
lava.
pig. But first all,
It's
the lemons.
beautiful.
Cultivating
No,
these
I think it's
delightful
not a
fruits
Chardonnay.
really is a family affair.
It's beautiful.
As I enjoyed it.
Everyone, you can play with the lemons, ladies and gentlemen. Play with the lemons. Play with the lemons, everybody. You can play with the lemons. Just don't squeeze them. We need them for later. Grazie.
Basking in the sun as I glow.
Stress, and then you go for a 6-month-long excursion under the sea. It's basically they're coming back relaxed, rejuvenated, and they're coming back completely different.
The mental image of wine bottles gently rocked by the ocean's currents.
Alexia. It comes all the way from Costa Brava, Spain. Its sulky round body suggests maturity, yet its fruity notes are incomparable to any other mature wine you've had before. Your wine has been aged under the sea and has been gently rocking for 6 months, providing a playground for all sorts of sea life. This wine is made from 100% Grenache grapes and comes from the Priorat region. It contains 14% of alcohol. Now, you might not feel it, but I'm sure you'll love it.
This is from the sea worms and the baby octopus. And each bottle is unique. No two bottles are the same. But I'm going to come back to explain you some more. I'll be back.
It is for you a spicy chorizo sausage with the finest pata negro and serrano. Provecho!
Okay, we've just been for a Grenache, and this wine has been aged under the sea. They put it in bottles and it goes under the sea where it's aged. And we've just been explained to that it's octopus larva or something in cases the bottles. And yeah, that's how it's aged under the sea. Let me just try some. Very nice.
It's a little bit complex, but I'm going to make it simple. So when they're ready to bottle the wine, they dip the neck of the wine bottle in waterproof wax. They put the aluminium label on it, and it will sink at 75 feet under the ocean. And they keep it in those metal cages for 6 to 7 months at 3.4 atmospheres of pressure. They will not remove the wine unless all the eggs from the octopus and the fish hatch. It's almost like a natural bottle refurbishment in a way. So when I order the wine, I order anything from 1,000 to 1,400 bottles, depending on what's available. But there's no point in me selling this to anyone on board because we have more than 4,000 guests a week. And if I do sell you a bottle, set you back about $500 a bottle now. And the one that you are enjoying is called Sea Star. It's something really special. You can see over here, they collected 5,718 bottles from this cage. This is bottle number 5,256. So, yeah, and so each one of these bottles have its own unique card and number, and we know exactly where it's from. But we don't sell this to anyone. It's only for the guests of 360. Please. Are you done with this one? Can I take this out? Alright. I have a little more space over there. I'll come back again for you. Can I take this out, sir?
Gaudi's fantastical architecture, the beautiful mosaics, a rainbow of color everywhere.
For me, the truffles are my life, and for my family too.
The texture of the earthy truffles was so different to the delicate flowers, but both grow in the same Spanish countryside.
Another $400. Oh, you guys are doing an amazing job. Bravo. Oh, listen, yesterday the first city couldn't find anything. Nice job, everybody.
This one anyway. Oh, there they are.
Spain has a lot of wonderful seafood, but the Spanish also enjoy a variety of meats. Our main dish is a beef tenderloin with a demi-glaze sauce, Spanish gamba prawns with grilled vegetables, and because of your truffle hunting skills and the hard work of Thor, we added for you delicious truffle butter to complement your meal. Provecho!
Fragrances, and that's my passion, and I come from a family of noses, of perfumers. My great-grandfather was already a nose, my grandfather was a nose, and I am a nose. So it's in the blood.
Local beekeeper Paolo told me how important bees are to this area. They produce different varieties of honey based on the plants they pollinated.
Is prepared for your lavender honey mousse filled with a lemon cream topped with a honeycomb wafer, accompanied by a silky white chocolate filled with honey. Oh, and you can eat the bees and they won't sting you. Bon appetit!
Okay, so I think we're on about our 7th course, and look what they've just dished up to us. It's a lavender mousse with the beehive
Twill, I suppose you could call it.
and oh my god, okay, we'll see how we go. But I'm so full.
White pear, not too sweet. And
I smell white flowers.
citrus. Citrus is showing, lemon, candied lemon. Now we can taste. The finish is very potent. The finish is very fresh, it's very mineral.
So that that was our look inside 360, an extraordinary experience.
And it certainly was too, wasn't
It
it?
was truly incredible. Now, if you happen to catch episode 2 of our New Zealand cruise diary, you saw us exiting the restaurant, and you would have seen the excitement and the praise on our faces. And look, it was absolutely genuine.
Oh, it certainly was. We went off our tree, and you'll see in the video.
We
but
were literally blown away, to be honest with you, weren't we?
we certainly were. Look, however, a little bit of a reality check for our viewers. If you are looking for a traditional sort of quiet fine dining experience, this is not going to be really for you. No, because it does require a bit of an adventurous palate and an absolute true appreciation for some really high quality wines. And look, while the dishes are excellent, you are primarily paying for the high-end theatre, the cutting-edge technology, and look, that impeccable service. And you got a comment about the service, haven't you?
On that, the service really stood out. Having a dedicated waiter assigned to every couple meant that we were extremely well looked after and very well hydrated.
Yeah, we certainly were.
Throughout the night. Look, overall, we rate this as a highly worthwhile splurge that perfectly suited foodies like us.
Yeah, it did. It was. It was a great splurge.
Yeah, it was well worth the money.
Well, it was for us too.
Yeah, 100% worth the money.
Look,
and we did notice there were 1 or 2 people sitting there and they weren't quite enjoying the food. They didn't seem to be worried about it. No. They were quite.
A bit of waste of money, I thought. I think.
Well, yeah, you said, but they're still getting the experience.
Look, we hope this deep dive helps you decide if it's the right choice for your next voyage on the Discovery or the Enchanted Princess. And goes without saying, if you enjoyed this look behind the curtain, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.
Yes, please. And if you haven't seen them yet, check out those Discovery Princess New Zealand Cruise Diary videos to see where this ship actually took us.
Yes, do so.
There's also the intriguing review of a very unique cabin.
Only 6 on board.
Yes, and they're very unique.
Yep.
And we have some exciting Asian-based cruises on the horizon that we can't wait to share with you. So thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye for now.
Bye.